US State Department in PDF, KNDF, KNLA, CDF the terrorist group da US Myanmar community somni parukten poiti. US Sarkara and Foreign Minister State Department Noya Development Service Group DSG Khovel Ram Shang Shanga Tharum Thona Terrorism Thleng Thin Zirchiang to Global Terrorism Trends and Analysis Center for the State Department is one Country Reports on Terrorism 2022 Annex of Statistical Information 2022 so November ni somthum kumsang ni somni pathum khana ti suaka heta hian Myanmar helpol ke NLA PDF CDF te so tharum tho ching terrorist group ada ani US State Department statement hi US o Myanmar community pol sang sang somni paruk te chuan poi anti thole US chu thilshi chiang tok lawa anpu ani He US State Department Annex of Statistical Information chuan current National Liberation Army KNLA People's Defense Force PDF Karani National Defense Force KNDF le Chin Defense Force CDF me pui poisoi chunga tharum tho chinga antarlan wang hian terrorist group anom ti na launita a apoi hle ni Myanmar Military Council in National Unity Government so terrorists an nitia an lo soi chin so aron nep ngeta ni mai lo mo he US State Department statement in asoidan chuan kumsang ni somni pani kumchung khan Myanmar rama mi pui pui soi lo chunga tharum thona voi zathum somkwa pakhata oma mi sang ni za somthumin nunna anchana heng tharum thona thleng za somnga chu PDF te nu mani in atar langa adang jong chu CDF KNLA KNDF te thilti ni in a soibok KNLA hi current National Union KNU nuaya ral thuam keng pol ani a KNDF hi karani kai namral thuam keng pol ani CDF chu Chin National Front thazar nuai om anni bok PDF chu Myanmar ral tan sarkar exile government National Unity Government nuaya ral thuam keng pol anni thungani